I am 30 now, and I have been running this race of earning money for the past 10 years, for a decade. And life has given me enough lessons that I can now download it to my audience so that they can make sure to not to walk the same road that leads to nowhere. In this particular video, I'll be talking about certain mistakes that I made in my 20s and certain things that I should have done in my 20s. I'm going to tell you all those things in this video so that you wouldn't repeat the same mistakes again and again. The most common challenge with an average Indian in his 20s is figuring out about his career. And I pretty much found myself in the same scenario. I made a choice. It was totally up to me, but I made a wrong decision. I chose a wrong career path. I chose a career that I should not be choosing. Instead, I should have chosen something which I really cared about, which I was passionate about. But no, destiny had other plans for me. I chose something which would suffocate me for another 6 years. And guess what? I felt like I hit the dead end, somewhere I would never return from. But things changed. My situation improved, and finally I could think of changing careers. After working in the industry for 6 years or so, I got this opportunity to switch a career, and finally I started working for something that I really cared about. And to this day, I never felt more grateful. I was finally somewhere I wanted to be, but that wasn't enough. I was behind everybody else. I was behind people who chose the same career way before me. I was 6 years late. Everything was new for me. I was beginning everything from scratch. It wasn't a fair competition until then. So here I learned a lesson that no matter what the situation is in your life, never take your career for granted. Never do things just because it needs to be done just for the sake of your parents. See, my friend, your parents are not going to be with you for the rest of your life. It is just you and your miserable life. And nobody is going to literally care for that because they are not going to be with you for the whole life. When it's time to choose a career, no matter what the situation is, never be in a hurry. Choose it wisely. Research about the career choices and choose something which you are literally passionate about. Never mess up your career choices or you will regret for the rest of your life. The next mistake in my 20s was I never prioritized friendship. You see, the moment I started working, I kind of lost track of all my friends. You see, the real ones, the real friends you will ever see in your life are those you get from your school and maybe the college. Never after that. You may see colleagues, you may see acquaintances, business partners, clients, but never friends. You cannot get friends out of those people. So it's my personal opinion that the moment we start working, we have certain responsibilities to finish, and from that moment, it becomes really hard for us to befriend anyone. It's as simple as that. The real friends are from school or maybe the college. So make sure you prioritize friendship. Even if you start working, take out some time, call your friends, meet them on a regular basis. Never abandon that friendship. Sometimes life after 30 becomes really lonely. So, out of experience, this particular thing would be my advice that never leave your friendship in the middle of nowhere. You can really save up some money on therapy. Besides, your real friends are the ones with whom you can be yourself, you can at least go crazy. The next mistake that I did in my 20s was I stopped writing. Yes, writing was something I really loved back in the day in school and even during the time when I started working. After some time I completely forgot about that and I never wrote since then. That was the only thing that was kind of an escape from the regular life of mine. It was that one thing that literally made me complete, made me happy. And even after knowing that, I completely stopped it. I guess life happened, but this is one lesson from my experience that you should never leave whatever you are doing, whatever you feel good in doing, whatever hobby you possess, keep on doing that. That will make you remember who you really are within. This corporate life has a way of making people forgetting things, and your hobbies are the escape plan. And maybe one day these little hobbies, these little getaways of yours can lead you to a life which you have never imagined. I am someone who grew up with lack of clarity around things. I had been a little foggy about what should be right for me, what should be wrong, what's correct, what's not, where should I go, where should I leave. And I believe all those things could have been done very well if I had a mentor, a coach, someone who had already been there where I want to go. And with the help of a mentor, I would have gone places. So this is something everybody, I believe everybody should have a mentor, someone who can guide them through the right paths. This is a very important thing. This is a very important part of your life. You want to go somewhere, you want to achieve something, and with the help of that coach, you will always choose the right path. So here's another advice: get yourself the right mentor, get yourself the right coach. Things don't always go the way you want them to go. This is life. And that's what happened when I started working. I thought this is the end. This is the end of everything. I am stuck here for life. And I accepted my fate, never doing something to get out of that hellhole until one person came into my life and told me that Ravi, this is not the end. You should make efforts in order to get out of this hellhole. And until then, it was already late. Still, I tried and I got out of there, got my shit together, and now things are better now. But still, those years, those golden years in my 20s, I would say that those golden years of my 20s had been a complete waste. I could have started earlier, and that would have been the right choice. So, the lesson I learned here is don't wait for nobody. Nobody's going to rescue you. It's on you. Nobody's coming. And for that matter, stop counting on others for your life. Take hold, take charge of your life. You are the hero of your story. It is totally up to you how you write your story. If you're waiting for some Masiha, he or she may never come. So, those were some mistakes I don't want you to repeat. For more life lessons, stick with me. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon.